Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick video comparing the Extreme online store facelift side skirts versus the ZL1 side skirts. This is going to be the carbon fiber ZL1 and the glossy black facelift. Now I know what you're saying, how are you going to compare both of them? Well, my main goal of this video is to compare the style, not really the material, but you're going to be able to see how the carbon fiber looks and you're going to be able to see the glossy black, so that's a bonus. So again, it's a quick video. If you're looking for some side skirts and you really don't know what route you want to take, this is the perfect video for you. So go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to show you before I install them, and then I'm going to show you a clip of both already installed and in the car. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, and you can watch these videos individually where I unbox them, I install them, and I review them. So this is just a comparison and nothing else. Alright guys, so starting with the glossy black, I really love the quality of the paint. It looks very good, it looks very professional, and I'm super happy with that. And as you guys can see on the lights, there's minimum orange peel, but to the eye, to my bare eye, I can't see that, and it looks very good. Quality is totally there. What I really love about these side skirts is that they already come with the hose pre-installed, so you don't have to worry about that. Now turning it around, first of all, we see the depth of the side skirt, and we also can see, let me scoot this over here, that it comes with the little wing, as you guys see. So that's very awesome, very cool, because it's already infused in the side skirt, giving it that depth there. Now we also see that we do have some 3M tape pre-installed on this one, and we do have some bolting options here as well. And this is the other side, which again is very thick part and very OEM. I really like this quality on this one. Now going up to the ZL1 style carbon fiber, we can see a difference. This is not really a wing, this is just kind of splits this way. It goes from very thin, and then it gets bigger all the way to over there. Nice curvature on this one. Now this is again real carbon fiber, and again we do have the pre bolts on them, as you guys can see. And the quality of the carbon fiber I'm very in love with. As you can see, it's very fine. It's not the conventional what I'm used to in my personal car, but this doesn't mean it doesn't look bad. It makes it look a lot more higher quality, and it looks like the fibers are just more compressed together, which is again totally not a bad thing. Now going to the back, we have the raw material. So this is not the best view, but for the guys that really like carbon fiber, this is one of the perfect views here. And as you guys can see, this is not broken. This is actually part of the OEM section. So just be careful with these, because if you do want to go with carbon fiber, just keep in mind that is a thin, fragile part. So this is just the quality check. Very awesome side skirts. I'm going to go ahead and show you a clip of each one, kind of describing it, talking about it, and then you can decide which one you like the best. Alright guys, well, the facelift side skirts are on, and they look very cool, very good. Very happy with this product actually. And if you guys see, it starts from like pretty much this much width, and then it keeps going with the curvature of the car all the way to these fins right here that look very good. And as you guys can see, it's not something that is super exaggerated and super big, but it's something that fits the car perfectly, looks good, and everything fits perfectly. So if you're looking for something like this, this is what you want to do. Something small, but something that adds a lot to the car. As you guys can see, it looks very good. Now guys, let's go ahead and compare these to the ZL1 side skirts here on the next clip. With the moment y'all been waiting for, guys, the carbon fiber ZL1 style side skirts. As you guys can see, carbon fiber looks very good, and I like how it blends in with the car. As you guys can see, it blends in about this much close. You start seeing the fibers. It just makes everything look good and luxury, of course. That's what you get with carbon fiber. So pretty good side skirt, easy to install, just like the facelift. Now the style, I think I will go with the facelift a little bit more. I feel like it has a little bit more volume. So in my opinion, I like the style of the facelift. However, I don't know if they have carbon fiber option. That's something that I would go ahead and check for you guys, and if I do have that, I'll leave the links either way for both side skirts, and you can choose what you want. But the volume wise, the facelift just feel a little bit more volume to it, but this one just looks just as great. Now, like I said, I have a little preference towards the other one, but nothing wrong with these. And again, they got stuck pretty good. A little bit of mobility, but of course because it's extending, but nothing too crazy where it's gonna fly off or nothing. And believe it or not, this one has more bolts than the facelift one, so these aren't going anywhere, and I think they look amazing. So pretty much, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the outro. Alright guys, well, you saw both of the side skirts. Let me know which one you like the best on the comments, which one you would consider the best to buy. And I already gave you my opinion. The facelift give it a little bit more volume, but even though the ZL1 are so minimal, I mean the design is pretty much minimal, the carbon fiber makes it compete tremendously with the facelift, leaving me kind of equal. But the facelift just gives me a little flap. Again, it reminds me of the ones I have in my 5 Gen, which I absolutely love. That's the reason why, in my opinion, those are the best, even though, like I keep saying, the carbon fiber looks very amazing. So let me know in the comments which one you like the best. Also, I want to say Happy New Year's to everyone. This is the first video of the year, so I appreciate the support and everything y'all done for me. As well, I want to thank the Extreme Online Store for coming in and sponsoring pretty much most of the videos that have been in the past quarter of the year. They've been amazing with me, and I'm so happy to work with them. Also, I just want to say that if you do like what I'm doing, go ahead and like and subscribe. There's a lot of 6 Gen content coming in now and 5 Gen content. The next couple of videos is going to be for 5 Gen content, so don't think this is just a 6 Gen channel. It's going to be for both. I'm going to try to keep up on both. But anyway, guys, if you like, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. There you can find content that does not make it to YouTube, such as other posts, minimal modifications, and you can also see some previews of what's coming. And anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next video.